Breaking news. In a momentous address, President Biden sends shockwaves through the world of technology and innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your seats. Today, we unveil the revolutionary promises of artificial intelligence, an extraordinary fusion of risk and opportunity for our society, economy, and national security. The excitement builds as President Biden's administration takes bold action to usher in a new era of responsible innovation, steering the course of AI technology towards a safer and more promising future. Hold your breath as 7 tech industry titans join forces, pledging their commitment to a monumental transformation. 1. First, witness the groundbreaking commitment to safety. These visionary companies vow to rigorously test their AI systems, ensuring nothing but rock-solid reliability before unleashing their creations upon the world. 2. Prepare for the adrenaline rush of heightened cybersecurity. These fearless innovators stand united, defending their AI models against cyber threats, locking down the fortresses of our nation's security. 3. Buckle up for a roller coaster of trust-building measures. The companies unveil their grand strategy, empowering users to make informed decisions by labeling AI-generated content, tackling bias, discrimination, and fortifying privacy safeguards. 4. Hold tight as we dive into the awe-inspiring realm of AI's potential. Witness how AI warriors take up arms against cancer and climate change, vowing to wield their technological prowess for the greater good. 5. And the thrill doesn't end there. Brace yourself for the burst of educational endeavors and job opportunities. The companies are determined to nurture the brightest minds, fueling a skilled workforce for the unstoppable rise of AI. Get ready for the ride of a lifetime, as the collective force of responsible AI and innovation charges forward, lighting up the horizon with hope, promise, and boundless potential. Thanks for watching.